Hello everyone, here is my 3 days healthy breakfast preparation for my family. So for the first day I had to make some cereals. I used this vanilla yogurt for my husband. I had a couple scoop of the vanilla yogurt, and then I used that granola organic cereals. Those are mixed berry crunch. So I put some, and then after that I added some bananas. After the bananas I add some blackberries. From there I added some apple slices. After the apple slices I added some strawberries, and I also added some blueberries. So after I added the blueberries, I had to top up with some almond butter. So the breakfast for my husband was ready. So for our boy, I used that lactose-free yogurt, and then some bananas, so, and that gluten-free cereals, and I had to put it in a bowl, and then I added some yogurt on it, and I mixed it well for him. And then after I mixed it, I added some banana as well. So I had to peel off the banana and cut it in smaller pieces. I also cut some strawberries and blueberry. I added some blueberries, blackberries. I continue mixing it, and then after that I sprinkle some dried cranberries and some almond syrup. So that was ready for him. And for myself, I like this coconut vanilla yogurt. I also had a couple scoops of it, and then I used this granola mixed nuts. So those are all organic, but before that I add some chia seeds on the yogurt, and then from there I added the mixed nuts. And after I added the mixed nuts and then some bananas as well, we all like bananas, I also added some strawberries and some blueberries and blackberries. I also sprinkle some organic honey on top. So my breakfast was ready. So for the second day, me and my husband, we had that organic bread. So I had mine with some almond butter. So I poured some almond butter, and then I cut it in half. But my husband likes some scrambled eggs on his bread. So I had those organic eggs, and then I put some salt and some cooking oil in a pan and make his scrambled eggs. I later put on the bread and then sprinkle some black pepper to taste, and then I cut it in half as well. So we both like having our bread with tea, so I made him the rooibos tea, that is favorite, and myself I made that herbal tea, that for weight loss. So I boiled some water and then make him a cup of tea, and myself as well. But for me, I added a little bit of honey on my tea. For him, he doesn't take sugar or honey, so I just put honey on my tea. That was it for us. So for this boy, I used those cereals, and then the same cereals he had yesterday. I just mix a little bit with the cornflakes. Those are also natural and gluten free. I added a little bit of it, and then I used I warmed that almond milk. So the breakfast for the boy was ready. Now from there, the third day we all had millet flour porridge. So I warmed the water a little bit and then put some millet flour little by little, and then I mix it well until it was well combined, and it has to be thick like that if it's porridge. I sprinkle some salt and then I covered it for 4 to 5 minutes, and then I had to wait until it was well cooked. So for this porridge, I've discovered that millet flour is the healthiest flour. It has a good source of protein, fibers, vitamins and minerals. So it's good for the digestion, weight loss, and good for the heart. So I had to dish. My porridge was ready. That was for my husband, and then that one was mine, and the last one was for the little one. But because I like sweet stuff, I had to sprinkle some organic honey on my porridge. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. Thank you for your support. If you are new, please consider subscribing and like and share the video, and don't forget to press the notification bells for any other new recipes. See you in the next video. Bye for now.